Bulk dispenser integration for a big family kitchen makes breakfasts faster and counters cleaner. Start by planning a layout that groups cereals, grains, and snacks by frequency of use and by family member to reduce morning traffic. Choose modular gravity dispensers that mount into pantry shelving so you can add or remove units as needs change. Look for models with clear bodies and silicone seals to keep pests and moisture out while making contents visible. Install portion control levers that deliver consistent servings without measuring cups and orient dispensers at reachable heights for children with a step stool and for adults without bending. Build labeled sections using washable, removable tags or a simple embossed label maker so each person grabs only their own portion and cross-contamination is minimized. Make reservoirs removable with a simple twist or latch, so cleaning is a 5-minute task, and so you can swap units when rotating stock or switching from cereal to loose snack mixes. Finally, plan plumbing-free spill trays under each dispenser and a small vacuum or hand broom in the pantry so crumbs stay contained and cleanup stays effortless. Common mistakes include placing dispensers too high where kids cannot reach, which leads to unsafe attempts at climbing. Install at an accessible height and add a stable step stool. Another frequent issue is using non-sealed containers that invite pests or stale product. Use silicone-sealed reservoirs and rotate stock with a first-in, first-out habit to keep freshness. People also forget how important removable parts are and end up with units that are difficult to clean, which creates buildup and odor. Prioritize dispensers designed for tool-free disassembly and set a weekly 5-minute wipe-down routine. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who can design and install integrated dispensing systems and pantry shelving for large homes, and we help contractors connect with families seeking bulk-friendly solutions. We also host a discussion community where we share project photos, installation tips, and vendor experiences so our members can learn from each other and refine pantry layouts.